Hello everyone, I am Pawan. My topic is global competitiveness. The meaning of global competitiveness. Global competitiveness means the ability of a country to produce goods and services that meet the test of the international markets and simultaneously to maintain and expand the real income and also raise the welfare level of its citizens. Global competitive competition is when companies compete to sell goods and services on an international scale. Global competitiveness can be defined in many different ways by different individuals and environments. In economic way, global competitiveness as the ability of a country to achieve sustained high rates of growth in a gross domestic product per capita. Next is factor affecting global competitiveness. The global competitiveness is enhanced mostly by the government of a particular country. This it can achieve by promoting some of the procedures, re-engineering system and trade. Added to this, government should ready to take responsibility. There are many factors that affect global competitiveness. The first one is physical infrastructure. Physical infrastructure plays a critical role in improving the global competitiveness of a country. This will lead to the smoother movement of people, products, and services. Second one is coordination among public sector agencies. The business environment should be as such that it improves coordination among public sector agencies. The best method include that providing support and incentives for a research and development activities, human resource development and education, encourage innovativeness and creativity, facilitating the improvement of industrial blocks and productivity. This will the this factor will affect the global competitiveness. The third one, high total factor productivity. High total factor productivity is a boon for economic growth. It shows the synergy and efficiency of both capital and human resource utilization and national promotes national competitiveness. The fourth one is productivity campaigns. Productivity campaigns are important because they promote public awareness and provide mechanism to use the productivity tools and techniques. The last one is tax rates. Tax rates on labor and corporations will be a factor in determining competitiveness. For example, higher labor taxes will increase the unit cost of labor faced by her, leading to a lower competitiveness. The next is significant of global competitiveness. First one is it increase innovation. Global competitiveness helps to increase inno- innovation and technology. Many countries around the world remain constantly connected. So, knowledge and technology advances travel quickly because knowledge also transfers so fast. That means that significant scientific advances made in Asia can be at work in the United States in a matter of days. Second one, increase the living standards. Global competition makes it comfortable for individuals to utilize commodities and services produced in other nations, which helps to improving their standard of livings. Next, the third one is economic development of a country. The economic development is the growth of the standard of living of a nation's people from the lower income to higher income. Global competitiveness helps to countries' economic development. The fourth one is reduce the cost. Global competitiveness allows companies to find lower cost ways to produce their product. It also increases competition across the globe, which drives price down and creates a larger variety of chances for customers. Thank you.